In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate a Facebook business page from a personal account, giving you complete control over your business while keeping your personal profile private. Many people want to run a business on Facebook but don't want their personal life linked to it, and today I'll guide you step by step so it's simple and easy to follow. First, it's important to understand how Facebook handles business pages. When you create a business page, it must be linked to a personal profile. This is how Facebook verifies the identity of the page owner. However, linking your page to your personal profile doesn't mean everyone can see your private information. Still, for better control and separation, you might want to manage your business page independently. To do this, you'll need a second Facebook account that is dedicated solely to your business. This is perfectly allowed under Facebook's rules, as long as the account represents a real person and isn't fake. Using this second profile, you can become the admin of your business page without your personal profile being directly connected to it. Start by logging into your personal Facebook account and navigating to the business page you want to separate. Click on Settings at the bottom left of the page. In the menu that appears on the left, select Page Roles. This is where you manage who has access to your page and what level of control they have. Next, open a new browser or an incognito window and create a new Facebook account using a different email address. This new account will serve as your business profile. Make sure to verify the email, add a profile picture, and complete the basic profile information so that it's seen as a legitimate account. Once your new account is ready, go back to your business page settings in your original profile. In the Page Roles section, type in the name or email of your new Facebook account and assign it the admin role. This is the highest level of access and allows that account to manage everything on the page. After the new account is added as an admin, return to your personal account and remove yourself from the page. In the Page Roles section, find your name, click Remove, and confirm your choice. Now your business page is fully managed by the new business account, completely separated from your personal profile. From this point forward, all business activities should be handled through the new account. This setup ensures a professional approach to managing your business while keeping your personal life private. Remember that Facebook requires a real person to manage the page, so avoid creating fake accounts. You can always transfer admin rights back to your personal account or another profile if needed. By following these steps, you'll have a clean separation between personal and professional life, protecting your privacy while maintaining full control over your business.